Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have with us is Sony's new 2018 lineup of LED LCD TVs. But apart from the fact that it really looks great, it has some smart functionality with the Google Assistant, and we're gonna get a quick demo of that, right? Yep, so can we see the remote and the button that is changed? So originally this was just a microphone button if you bought a 2017 or even a 2016 flagship model, right? As of now, and once you click this, you have the Google Assistant. So can you run us through some of the demos that you just showed us?
Absolutely. So simple demos like if we want to open the blind, so press and hold the button, open the blind.
And as we will see, the blinds out here will start to go up. Oh, come down. Close the blinds, actually.
Yes, try it. Close the blind.
So essentially what this is a demo of how you can control your smart appliances at home, literally without leaving the comfort of your couch and talking to your TV's remote control. So what's the next demo that we'll see?
So let's clean the floors. Ask Roomba to clean the floor.
That was very polite.
That's right, we have to ask. If we tell, she won't go.
So as you can see, using Google Assistant on the Sony's TV remote, Roomba has left the base station and started cleaning the floor. That's absolutely great. Now another demo that you showed off was the ability to see a security camera in the house. Can we see that one?
So with having the Nest app built in, we just launch it by saying, show me the front door camera. And that will launch the Nest app through Android TV, which is functionality that you can't get just in a smart speaker. You also have to have the TV along with it. So, and based on your home network speed, it takes a little bit longer or shorter for it to actually come up, but it'll access our Nest Cam over there.
Is it possible if you have a few cameras set up to get a multi-view display, or it's just one at a time?
You can get a multi-view display.
You can get a multi-view display. All right, that's perfect. So we have a view of the camera that's actually quite literally set up right here. So that's the camera that's giving us the view. That's great. So what other demos do you have here that you can show us?
So the last one that we've got is we can control our lights here. So first thing, we'll change the color. Change living room light to blue. We've got a color change there. We can turn it off. Turn off living room light.
And as you can see, with a simple voice command on the Sony TV remote, you can control the smart appliances of your house. That's really, really cool. And out here is essentially a lineup of all the kinds of gadgets that you can control with the Google Assistant.
Absolutely.
Right. Okay, and since this is Sony's new lineup of TV, can you tell us about any launch date that's planned for the US out here?
It'll be sometime this spring.
All right. And any price ranges for the new lineup of TVs?
We don't have that information just yet.
All right, that's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, as you saw, this is Sony's new television. It is, to give you the exact model, the X900 F series. It's 4K HDR TV, which will launch in 2018. The highlight of the TV is, of course, the ability to control your smart home appliances with the Google Assistant. We saw the blinds come down, they go up. We saw the Roomba start cleaning the house. You can, of course, control the lights as well, and a camera as well. And of course, right now we've seen Roomba's been asked to stop, and she stopped. So there you have it, guys. That was a look at Sony's smart home control features available with the Android TV. You can also control the Sony speaker, which also has a Google Assistant with the television. We'll bring you that demo as well really, really soon. In the meantime, for more coverage on CES, stay tuned to Digit.in.